So this is about 5 minutes later. This is the downpour from my gutters that I just cleaned. They are empty. They just can't handle all the water that's pouring off the house. See, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's hail bouncing off of my deck. And yeah, no water over here, but that is pouring. My poor grill is taking a bath. It's coming down pretty good. We've got, if I had to take a guess, that's a piece of hail that just, well, let me turn on a light as it melts in my hand. That's the piece of hail. So we're getting about marble-size hail. And, yeah. Stormy weather in Kansas City for sure. Gotta love it.